Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone X and replace camera module. To disassemble the iPhone X, you need the following tools: screwdriver set, plastic mediator, section cup for removing display, tweezers and open plastic tool, and any hairdryer. In the description under the video I left link to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassemble, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the charging port with a Pentalobe 0.8mm screwdriver. Take any hairdryer and heat the surface of the screen for 1 or 2 minutes. Set the section cup at the bottom of screen and pull the ring up. Next, take a plastic mediator and begin to disconnect the display module from the iPhone. In the case of iPhone X, opening like a book. Open the display to the right side. Using a driving 0.6mm screwdriver, unscrew 5 screws and remove the metal panel. Under the metal panel you will see cables. The first is disconnecting the battery cable and then disconnecting the 3 display cables. To replace the main camera on iPhone X, you need to unscrew the 2 screws and remove the metal panel. Disconnect the 2 cables from the mainboard, and now you can remove the camera from the smartphone case. In the description under the video you will find a link where you can buy a new camera for iPhone X. Install the camera in the iPhone case. Now install the metal frame and fasten 2 screws. Connect 2 camera cables to the motherboard, and now you can check the camera before final assembly of the iPhone. To test the iPhone, you need to connect 3 display cables and after the battery cable. Turn over the display, but do not close the case, just flip it. Turn on the iPhone and check how the smartphone works. If everything is working properly, let's begin to the final assembly. Remove old glue from iPhone case. Using medicine alcohol, wipe the iPhone X case from the old adhesive tape. If you want to restore the water resistance of your iPhone X, you need adhesive tape like this. Of course, you can assemble your iPhone X without this adhesive tape, but this makes no sense because this adhesive tape costs only a couple of dollars. In the description under the video you find link where you can buy this adhesive tape. Connect 3 display cables to the motherboard and only after connect the battery cable. Install the metal panel and fasten screws. Turn over display and press it to the case. Fasten two screws near the charging port. Install the tray with the SIM card. Now you can turn on your iPhone and use it.